the past probably, well, close to 2 years now has been working on Deno in one capacity or another. So, and a few other things in my past for my sins as well too. I used to be the project lead for Dojo too, but that's in my past.
Nice. So is the consensus that it's Deno and not Deno then?
Yeah, so officially it's Deno.
Okay.
And even though it was unofficially Deno up until TS Conf in Seattle last year, so I called it Deno. Rai was calling it Deno because he probably hadn't thought much about it. And then when we met there, he's like, I've been thinking I probably should call it Deno.
That's awesome. And so with that, I guess we'll just kind of dive into what exactly Deno is. Could you give us like a really wide overview of what exactly Deno is and what it does?
Yeah.